Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about revisions, what kind of things we can do with the revisions, what type of revisions we can add and how we can add in a faster way. So let's discuss about revisions in this video. So let's start. Right now in our sheet, if you'll see, there is one revision only on our sheet. We can see right here, that's revision number 1, name is revision 1 and so on. Okay, we are not focusing about dates or those kind of things. We are focusing on the number of the revisions and the description of the revisions. Okay, so as of now, for example, if I'll go and view tab revisions, right there we have only a single revision, so it is already added on the sheet. And if I'll go in any random sheet, for example E111, the revision 1 is also right there. But for example, we got revision 2 in our all the sheets. How we can do that thing in a faster way? There's one way that we can go in each and every sheet and put the revisions manually, or we can use a Dynamo script, or we can use the add-ins. I have already created the separate videos for Dynamo as well for add-in that we use for the automation and revisions, all those kind of things as well. But as of now, for example, suppose currently you want to add the revisions in all the sheets and you do not have any add-in, you do not have any Dynamo script. What you can do in that scenario, do not worry about that one. You can do that thing very faster way without any add-in or Dynamo. How you can do that thing, let's discuss about that one. So for example, I'll create one more revision right here. For example, I create three revisions right now: revision 2, revision 3 and revision 4. Okay, and I'll click on OK. I'll tell you one more thing. As of now, right here you can see the issued means, I'll tell you about that thing. If I'll check this box, okay, for revision 4, I cannot edit that thing as of now for revision 4 as I can add it for the revision 3. Okay, and as well I cannot give the revision cloud for that one. What is the revision cloud? We'll discuss about that one in this video only. So for example, I'll uncheck that one as of now, so that I can give you thorough description about those kind of things as well. So for example, I wanted to add revision 2 in all the sheets. How I can do that thing in a faster way? As of now, what I'll do, I'll go in annotate tab right there. I'll create a revision cloud on the sheet layout, not the view layout, on the sheet layout. I'll create the revision cloud right there, and I'll click on OK. But before than that, you can see in the properties right now, you can see it is aligned with the revision 1, but revision 1 is already on the sheet, so I want to change this cloud to be assigned to revision 2. Okay, so that this cloud represents revision 2 in the sheet. Okay, you can see right now this is revision 2 we have added. If I'll change this is revision 2 revision 3, the revision 3 will be right there. Okay, but as of now I'll make it revision 2 and I'll click on OK. Fine, now you can see it is revision 2 added on the sheet, but not on all the sheets. Like if I'll go on E101, it's not added right there. So what I can do in that scenario? Should I create revisions each and every time on all the sheets? No. What I'll do, I'll go in that particular sheet in which I have created this revision. I'll select that one, I'll copy that one, and I'll click this best drop down option, and I'll click on align to selected views. You can see all the sheets are right there. You can select multiple sheets at a time, but for now, as of now, I'll select all the sheets so that I can add the revision in all the sheets. So I'll select all the sheets and I'll click on OK, and I'll take a little bit time. It's done now. So if I'll go in any sheet, this revision 2 is added. If I'll go in any sheet, this revision 2 is added, but this revision is showing right there. Okay, it's in sheet layout. So what I'll do, I'll go in visibility graphics, go in annotation category and turn off the revision clouds. Okay, that's fine, perfect. But as of now we need that revision so that we can, I can tell you the more things about the revision as well. You can remember I told you earlier that in view tab in revisions, if I'll check this box revision 4, okay, and I'll click on OK, if I'll create a new revision right here, Okay, I cannot assign revision 4. If I'll go with it, it is showing that it cannot be added for the revision 4 because it is already issued. Okay, so that is the thing, we cannot add in anything if we are going with the issued checkbox with the revision. Okay, I can go with the revision 3 and revision 2 and so on, those kind of things. So I'll align this revision 3 with this revision cloud, and it will be added right there, and so on. If you want to add multiple revisions, suppose I'll copy this one and I'll paste right there, and first of all I'll uncheck, sorry, I'll uncheck that revision issue for revision 4, and I'll click on OK, and I'll assign this revision cloud to revision 4 now. Okay, so what I have done, I have added revision 3 and revision 4 as well on the sheet. We can remember the revision 1 and revision 2 are already added on the sheets. So I guess you have idea how we can add the revisions on each and every sheet with the proper automation, those kind of things that we can do. So that's all about this video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this one. Let's meet in my next video.